Right. So we are in module 5, lesson 1, writing equations and slope intercept or we are on page 287 now, and today is 15 December. So, let's remember a few things together. We took it before, right? أول شيء the slope, usually we call it m, right? And it has a formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the formula of the slope. We can use it if we have 2 points, right? So, the slope intercept force, the slope intercept force is y equal, we took it mx plus b. So m is the slope and phi is y intercept, right? So, let's start directly with example 1. Write an equation given the slope and a point. So to write the equation in slope intercept form, I need this equation. Okay, I need this equation. This equation needs two values: the slope, which is m, and mean will be. I need these two values, m and b. Okay, yeah. So whatever the question is, I need these two values. Either they are given, not given, you will find them. That's it. So let's take the first idea with example 1. With example 1, yeah, example 1, same page 287. Now, write an equation of the line that passes through the point -8 and 6 and has a slope and has a slope 3 over 4. So here the slope is given. So m is given. M, I know it. How much? Still b, right? Write the formula y equal mx plus b. M is given, still means b. I have only this information that this line, which you want to find the equation of, right, passes through this point in the coordinated plane. In the coordinated plane, you have this point. Our line here passes through this point. That's it. So I'll start with the formula y equal mx plus b, right? M is given. Replace m by what? By the value, right? So y equals -3 over 4 x plus b. Now I will use this point to find the value of mean of b, right? So what's the meaning of the point on the line? What's this useful for? This point on the line. Yeah. When I say this point is lying on the line, or this line passing through this point, what this means? No? example, leave this. Leave this, huh? If y equals 2x plus 4, this is a line, right? A line, equation of a line. I will tell you that this point 1 and 6 is on the line. Why? Because if you put 1 in the place of x, the answer should be what? 6. 2 multiply 1, 2, plus 4, 6. This means that this point is on the line. Get it? For example, this point is on the line, or this line passing through this point. Why? Because if you put 7 here, 2 multiply 7, 14, plus 4, 18. If you put x, you get what? If you put x, you get y. If you put x, you get y. Then this point on the line. If you put x and you then get y, this is not on the line. For example, this point 2 and 7 is not on the line. Put 2, 4 plus 4, 8, not 7. Right? هذه x وهذه y. So put 2 gets 8. 8 is not 7. So this point is not on the line. فهمنا شو يعني البوينت on line? So if the line passes through the point, then this point which has x and y values, right? If you put x, you get what? Y. فهمنا؟ صحيح. Now come back here. We said, Mr. Muhammad, can you tell me what the meaning of is the point on the line or not on the line? If the point on the line, what's this mean? What's this mean? If this point, we said, if this point on the line, what's this mean? Meaning. Who know, guys? If you know, raise up your hand. Who know that if I put the point on the line, what's this mean? كل عارف إلا أنت ليه؟ ها؟ أخليك لا تضل معي. Yes. So y equal negative 3 over 4x plus b. The question said the line passes through the point, which means this point on the line, right? This point on the line means if you put negative 8 in place of x, the answer should be what? 6, as we did here, right? So I'll go here, and in place of y, I will put what? 6. Negative 3 over 4 multiply mean x, which is negative 8. The plus mean b. Got it? Now we simplify until we get the value of b. So here, negative 3 times negative 8, positive 24, right? Divided by 4, 6. So 6 equals 6 plus b. Shift the 6 here to find the value of b. 6 minus 6, 0. So b equal what? 0. Right? B equals 0. So what's our, now I don't see it. What's our equation? We prepare the equation. Now I have n and I have e. How much? This is the equation. Of how we check the answer, how we check if this equation is correct. We use the point. What's negative 8 now? Negative 3 multiply negative 8, positive 24, divided by 4, 6, which is, get it? So y equal negative 3 over 4 x. This is the equation of this line. You understand? Right. I'll give you another example about this formula or this way. It's not written in your, it's not in your book, so find the equation of the line which passes through the point 1 and 5 and has a slope 10. So on the equation of the line in the slope intercept form, right? So I'll start with the slope intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. This is the formula we start with. Okay? Yeah, the first step we replace m. Check. Replace m. What's m? How much? 10. So you go to your formula. Replace m by 10. So y equals 10 x plus b. The first step, you replace n by the given value. Okay, done writing. Right. Now, the first step we said we replace n by the given value, which is 10. So I replace n by 10. Now I need to find the value of b, which is unknown. I will go to the point. The question says that this point is on the line. Means if you put x, which is 1, the answer should be 5 of y, right? So I will replace y by what? And x by 1. So replace y by 5 equal 10 multiply 1 plus b. 5 equal 10 multiply 1, 10 plus b, right? Shift the 10, 5 minus 10 equal b. Check. So b equal negative 5. The question is not about to find the value of b, so you are not finished. So the question wants to ask the equation. So I need to fill the equation. So the equation is y equal mx plus b. M is 10 plus b, which is plus minus 5 minus 5 minus 5. This is the equation. How we check our answer? We check the points, right? Put 1 in the place of x here. 10 multiply x, 10 multiply 1, 10 minus 5, 5. This is the value of y that is given, right? Right. Copy this question. So in this case, the first case of writing linear equation in slope intercept form, that the question gives you the slope and a point, right? A point on the slope, a point on the line. Done writing? Now the second idea of writing the right linear equation that the question gives you replace this 1 point, 2 points. And replace the slope, okay? And the question won't give you the slope, just give you 2 points. Example. Example 3. Right now, write equation given 2 points. Write an equation of the line that passes through the 2 points 1.2 and negative 0.7 and negative 2.4 and 1.6. So wait, I will give you time to write. Just understand first. I'll give you time to write. Now here in the first idea, the question gives you the point, 1 point, and what? Slope. Here the question gives you what? Only 2 points. بده ايش؟ The equation of the line that passes through these 2 points, right? صح؟ Fine. Now what I will do, y equal mx plus b. In the previous one, m is given ready, but here m is not given. So the first step, I need to find m. Second step, I will use the previous idea by one of the 2 points after we find m. Okay, to find b. Get it? Yeah. So the first step, write the formula y equal mx plus b. أول كانت m given. Now it's not. I need to find it by using the formula. So m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus, and here I have x1 y1 x2 y2. Apply the formula. y2 how much? 1.6 minus from the formula minus y1 which is negative 0.7 over x2 how much? 0.4 minus from the formula x1 how much? 1.2. Simplify and find the answer. Now 1.6 plus 0.7, 2.3. So 2.3 over negative, negative, we add and put the same sign, right? So negative 4.6. Divide them. Negative half. Negative half. This is mean m. Now I have m, right? Still mean b. I will use one of the 2 points, one of them, any one. You can use the first one, you can use the second one, any point. The equation will be the same. Sure. عمري غشيتك أنا. مين بيحكي؟ عمري غشيتك. Now I will use any point and I will use this idea. Right? Yeah, to find b. Now what's the equation? The equation m is given. Replace m and put negative half here. Hi, y equal negative half x plus b. Now we can use the first one, we can use the second one. I'll use the first one. This is x, this is y. These 2 points are on the line, right? Means these 2 points, if you put x, you get y, you see? So replace x by what? By 1.2 and replace y by negative 0.7. Negative 0.7 equal. negative 0.5 multiplied by x, which is 1.2, plus negative 0.5 multiply 1.2, negative 0.6. Here, negative 0.7 equal, here multiply negative 0.6 plus b. Shift. So b equal negative 0.7 plus 0.6. So b equal negative 0.1. Now we found b and m before, right? Now the equation is ready. Y equal mx, negative half x, plus b, will be plus minus 0.1, it will be minus 0.1. So how we check our answer? In which point both should be correct, right? Let's check. Use calculator. 1.2 here, negative 0.5 multiply with me, enter. Negative 0.5 multiply 1.2 minus 0.1. Negative 7 over 10, both as 3.7. So, let's check the other point which we didn't use, right? Yeah. Negative 0.5 multiply negative 3.4. Negative 0.5 multiply negative 3.4 plus, sorry, minus 0.1. 1.6, right? So, if you use this point here, it will be the same at the end, okay? So it's up to you. You have 2 points. Use the point with the easy number. What? Yeah, you can use this point or this point in finding mean b. One of them, it's okay. Done? Fine. Copy this question because you have some empty places in your book. So copy it please quickly. Now here you have 2 points, right? Okay. Now to find the formula, you need to write the formula of y equal mx plus b. We call it slope intercept form, right? Now we wrote the formula. Now I replace m by, take your time, yes. Hmm? Well, again, guys, here we have 2 points. First step, we find the slope as we did here by the formula. So the slope is how much? 4.5. I replace it in its place. Then I use one of the 2 points to get me b on this way we did it. Now b is how much? 19.5. So I replace the 2 values and we have the equation. Got it? What? Any questions about this idea? Yeah, copy this one